World Under-20 100-meter silver medalist Bouwahjgie Nkrumie rumored to be going pro. Track fans, it looked like big things are going on with another one of the Under-20 Jamaican athletes. It is now alleged that Kingston College standout and World Under-20 silver medalist Bouwahjgie Nkrumie is being offered a big contract and big money to move up to the professional level in track and field. Nkrumie set a new national record at the recent Under-20 World Championships in Cali, Colombia, when he ran a PB of 10.02 seconds. Now, remember we heard about the Clayton twins going pro just a few weeks ago. Then last week, it was Kerisha Hill. Well, now it appears that Nkrumie is headed down the same path. At this moment, this is still allegation, as these kind of things don't come out into the open until the ink is dry on the contracts. Well, so it seems. So, we will have to wait on official confirmation or denial of this one too. But if it is true, then it is another huge move for another of our junior athletes. And I only hope this time the current coach was not kept in the dark. I really hope we hear more on this situation soon. But it looks like the track and field scout them really have Jamaica on the radar for 2022, as far as the junior athletes are concerned.